Okay, yesterday y'all read stories about slavery, and you're finishing them up today, and I'm just going to walk around for a minute and ask you if you're finding any of the questions, the answers to your questions that you wrote about. Ileana, have y'all found anything out yet on your book?
Well,
Nick?
not question-wise, but we've found out that she's making a quilt, and it's actually going to have a pattern like of the barn, and it's going to like be a mat on a quilt.
Okay.
And so she's making that, and we're at a part right now where I kind of read ahead, and she's going to draw in the dirt, and one of her friends ran away, and 5 days later he was caught, and she's going to draw a map in the dirt, and he's going to help her out since he saw more, and I think she's going to make a full map with the quilt, and she's going to get away.
Okay, good.
She and Paul once thought about freedom all the time. I dare to think about it too after your mom taught me about saying, as long as you're out the restaurant while listening to Gary to a far plantation, he has it. Mama said it was her heart that broke.
Okay, do y'all have a question or that was answered, or what did you discover?
We had one, and we asked why. On the first page, we asked why that like the lady she was boiling and stirring up hanks or thread, and our answer came in the next page, and you answered. And the answer was because when you boil it, it's easier to make clothes with, and like that's what they had to do for their master, and they had to make clothes, so it'd be easier, and so it wouldn't be so hard. It wouldn't be as hard.
Great. Okay. Michelle and Andrew, did y'all find anything? Any questions you had that were answered?
We had 6 questions. I'll just read one. And it was, her broom became a staff and a rifle. And it told us later that it showed that God would protect her through while she was escaping. This was Harriet Tubman.
Okay, you had Moses, Harriet Tubman.
Yes, sir.
All right, good. Okay, Matthew, did y'all have any questions that you answered?
Let me think. We had one right here, and it was,
Why did he draw the cabin?
why do you draw a cabin in the sand? And we figured out it was so that if somebody walked by another slave that was free and hiding, they could know that that they were close by and look at that.
Mm-hmm. What book did you have?
We had the Patchwork
Quilt. Okay. Patchwork Path? Okay. Good. All right.
Miss Posey, look on the book. You know how earlier we did those things where we said like it's so hot, it's like whatever burning up.
Vivid imagery.
Well, this one says she said she had a dream vision to make a quilt and stretch out freedom colors in pretty squares like a rainbow bridge from side to side. So like she had imagined doing a quilt like looking like a rainbow, like you could stretch it so far.
Okay, so that's an example of what we talked about yesterday and today. Vivid imagery. Good.
Ah, that's cool.
That is cool. How that? Now you know what it's called.
Yeah.
They came up and start at the top. She tried to make her voice chair. You always did like to make.
Okay, all these books should be AR, so if any of you want to take an AR test on them, you certainly can, or swap books anytime and read them. But I appreciate it. Y'all did a great job. Thank you.